Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are gonna talk about percentage composition. We'll write that it represents the percentage by mass of constituents. Constituent can be atoms or molecule. Constituent is basically a part of the whole compound. So percentage composition represents the percentage by mass of constituents present in the compound. This is the simple definition. Also we'll write the formula that mass percentage of a constituent in compound is equal to atomicity of constituent multiplied by mass of constituent divided by molecular mass of compound multiplied by 100. This is the simple formula. This is very important formula. Atomicity multiplied by mass of constituent divided by molecular mass of compound multiplied by 100. You need to remember this. Also here the term atomicity is basically the number of atoms of constituent present in the compound. Basically number of atoms of constituent can be atoms or molecules present in the compound, right? Once again we will see the formula. Mass percentage of constituent in a compound is atomicity multiplied by mass of constituent divided by molecular mass of compound multiplied by 100. And atomicity is number of atoms of constituent present in compound. Now moving further, we will write an example here. Calculate percentage of C atoms present in CH4. So we'll solve it here simply. We have CH4, the molecular mass of CH4 12 plus 4 times 1, which is 16 gram per mole, right? Also we have to calculate for C atoms. So for C the atomic mass is 12 gram per mole, right? Also atomicity for C in CH4. Atomicity means number of atoms. So number of atoms of C in CH4 is only 1, right? Now simply we'll write the formula. Percentage of C in CH4 will be equal to atomicity multiplied by atomic mass of C divided by molecular mass of CH4, which is the compound here, molecular mass of CH4 multiplied by 100. Now simply putting the values. So this is 1 atomicity. Atomic mass of C is 12 gram per mole and this is 16 gram per mole multiplied by 100. On solving it will come out to be 75%. So this is the answer. Now one more thing. We will check if this answer is correct or not. So we'll write here. This compound CH4 is composed of C and H atoms. So we'll write, we have calculated percentage of C. Now we'll calculate percentage of H in CH4. So basically atomicity, which is 4 multiplied by atomic mass, which is 1 divided by 16 multiplied by 100. It came out to be 25%. So now we'll simply add these two values. Add percentage of C and percentage of H in CH4, right? On adding we'll get 75% plus 25%, which is 100%. So if the summation comes out to be 100%, means the calculated value is correct. Our answer is correct here, right? Now moving further, we'll solve another example. Calculate percentage of D atoms present in CD4. This is another compound CD4. We'll solve it. Here CD4 molecular mass for this compound is 12 gram per mole for carbon, and for deuterium is 2 gram per mole multiplied by 4, which is 20 gram per mole. The atomic mass for deuterium is 2 gram per mole. Also, atomicity of deuterium in CD4 is 4. There are 4 atoms, so atomicity is 4. We'll write the formula. Percentage of D atoms in CD4 will be equal to atomicity, which is 4, multiplied by atomic mass, which is 2, divided by molecular mass of CD4, 20, multiplied by 100. On solving, it will come out to be 40%. So this is the answer. Now we'll check if this is correct or not. So this compound here, CD4, is composed of carbon and deuterium atoms. We'll calculate percentage of C atoms in CD4 is equal to atomicity 1 multiplied by atomic mass 12 divided by molecular mass of compound 20 multiplied by 100. It came out to be 60%. Now adding them, on adding percentage of D and percentage of C in CD4, it is 40% plus 60%. Summation is 100%, means our answer is correct, right? Now we'll solve another problem. For the compound CuSO4.5H2O, calculate percentage of O atoms present in the compound. B part, percentage of SO4 minus 2 ions present in the compound. C part, percentage of water molecules present in the compound. Mass of Cu is 63.5 gram per mole. For sulfur, 32 gram per mole. Oxygen, 16 gram per mole. Pause the video and solve by yourself. Now we'll solve it. Here we have CuSO4.5H2O. This is the main compound. We'll calculate molecular mass for this compound, which is 63.5 plus 32 plus 4 times 16 plus 5 times molecular mass for water, which is 18. On calculating value, it will come out to be 249.5 gram per mole. Also, we'll write percentage of a constituent in a compound is equal to atomicity multiplied by mass of constituent, atomicity multiplied by mass of the constituent divided by molecular mass of the compound, or molar mass of compound, multiplied by 100. Right, this is the formula. Now we'll solve part A. We have to find percentage of O atoms in CuSO4.5H2O, right? So we'll first write the atomicity of O in CuSO4.5H2O. So number of O atoms here is 4 plus 5, which is basically 9. Also, mass of O is 16 gram per mole. Now we have all the values. Simply, percentage of O in CuSO4.5H2O will be equal to atomicity, which is 9, multiplied by atomic mass of O, which is 16, divided by molecular mass of whole compound, which is 249.5. On solving, it will come out to be 57.7%. This is the answer simply. Now B part, we have to find percentage of SO4 minus 2 ions in CuSO4.5H2O, right? So here we have CuSO4.5H2O. We will find where SO4 minus 2 is present. So this compound, we have CuSO4 and 5H2O. In CuSO4, we have this compound is composed of Cu plus 2 and SO4 minus 2 ions. So this SO4 minus 2 ions, for this we have to calculate the number of ions. Now moving further, we will write CuSO4.5H2O. Here atomicity of SO4 minus 2 and mass of SO4 minus 2. So we'll write the values. Atomicity here is 1 and mass of SO4 minus 2 is 32 for sulfur plus 4 times 16, which is 96 gram per mole, right? Now we'll simply write the formula. Percentage of SO4 minus 2 in CuSO4.5H2O will be equal to atomicity, which is here 1, multiplied by mass of SO4 minus 2, which is 96, and the molecular mass of this whole compound is 249.5, multiplied by 100. On solving, it will come out to be 38.47%. This is the answer. Now moving to the last part, we have to calculate percentage of H2O molecules in CuSO4.5H2O. So we'll write where H2O molecules are present in this compound. So CuSO4.5H2O, this is composed of CuSO4 plus 5 H2O molecules. Here atomicity of H2O in CuSO4.5H2O and mass of H2O, we will write these values. Here atomicity is 5 and mass of H2O is 2 times 1 plus 16, which is 18 gram per mole. And now simply write the formula. Percentage of H2O in CuSO4.5H2O will be equal to atomicity, which is 5, multiplied by mass of water, which is 18 gram per mole, divided by molecular mass of compound 249.5 gram per mole, multiplied by 100. On solving, it will come out to be 36.07%. Hope you understand this.